This is my video cast lesson plan. So for the prerequisites, the students prior to this lesson, they should have a good understanding of the following: identify and describe constant and changing characteristics of humans as they grow and develop. Examples: eye color remains constant, height changes. Recognize that all humans do not grow and develop at the same rate. Recognize that food is the form of energy and that eating healthy is essential for growth and development. So this lesson is going to be on the life cycle of a butterfly, and I have a video to go along with it from YouTube. And then I have the objectives, the learning outcomes here listed from the Manitoba curriculum. And then in my notes, I have the analysis, and students will watch the video of the butterfly life cycle. They will gain knowledge that will help them answer the worksheet. Independent practice with the help of parents. Students will print out the handout that prompts them to write the 4 stages of the butterfly life cycle, which will ask them to explain each stage. And then for evaluation, students will hand in the worksheet or submit a picture of it via email. Before logging off off the class online, students will answer an exit slip question, which will be one pertaining to the topic. Example, name one of the 4 stages of the butterfly's life.